Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is over the high block grip release. Now, we are using our high block motion, this, as a way of breaking an opponent's hold. Somebody's grabbed us by the wrist. We're going to use this to break their hold. Now, when we're working with a high block in a pattern, we typically see this done as part of a move forward. I'm stepping forward to do it. Using this as a release, the only difference here is I'm going to be stepping back away as I do this. It's a small difference, but it's going to be a real important one. So we're starting with our blocking arm in at our hip here. And instead of our retraction arm here, I'm just going to extend it out in front. This is the wrist that's been grabbed. I'm going to step back on the same side that I've been grabbed on. I'm pulling in, and my blocking arm comes across, up, and through. And I'm going to step back, pull in, across, up, and through. Step back, pull in, across, up, and through. Now a little more quickly, we're just moving everything together. Step, pull, and block. Step, pull, and block. Step, pull, and block. Now if I'm doing this with my left arm, I'm going to step back with my left foot. Step, pull, and block. Step, pull, block. Step, pull, and block. Start slowly at first, just get everything working together. Then we'll take it a little more quickly. I don't want to rush it, but I want my step, my pull, and my block all working together. Now, look at it from the side. Here, I'm stepping back, pulling in, and the blocking arm comes up and through. That step back is very important. It's part of what gives me power in this technique. Now, let's have a look at how we're going to apply this. This will come, if I could have you over on this side, please. All right, I'm going to start my right arm out. He's grabbing here. I'm stepping back, pulling in, coming up and through upward against his forearm to break his hold. And then I'm going to get into my wedge and carefully move away so I can't be grabbed again. Now, working with your helper, be careful with this high block. I'm going to pull in, just touch here. As I continue to pull, I press up. But we're putting stress on their hand, their wrist, and their arm in a number of different ways, making it very difficult to hold. I'm pulling back this way. I'm rolling over this way. I'm applying stress here. I'm applying stress in this direction, and at the end I'm going to be applying stress upward as well, all at the same time. It makes me real difficult to hold on to. Now this one is especially good against a taller opponent. If that grab is nice and high here, we've worked with a low block release, and I could try to do that, but in this position, it's not going to be that terrifically effective. So instead, we'll come up from under here. Now, you do want to be careful that you're not striking your partner on the arm. Do not hurt your helper, all right? Just one more time. A good touch and press up. That should have all the power you need. Thank you, Mr. Discipline. Now, if I'm having to do this in actual self-defense, somebody has grabbed me and I have to make them let go right now. Yeah, I'm gonna come up very hard with that blocking arm. I'm gonna hit them right on the arm and make them let go. But again, working with my partner, take it easy, just find them, touch them, push them, and that should break their hold nicely. That is the high block release. Thank you for joining me.